You know, it's kind of funny when TradFi goes from calling Bitcoin a scam, a Ponzi, rat poison, to now really embracing it for the first time. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink, quote unquote, saying crypto is digitizing gold. Bitcoin is the new future of gold. From BlackRock CEO, what's going on? This is so good, but my goodness, where is this going to take us? We're going to talk about that today. So welcome back to the Blockhash podcast channel. Let's talk crypto. Make sure to check out our Patreon. We do chart analysis Monday through Friday. Probably not this week and next week. I'm currently on vacation. I'm currently traveling. You're seeing this video is actually pre-recorded to cover this specifically, so it's not live. Unfortunately, I don't have the time to do that right now, but we are going to talk about this in detail today because I think it's very relevant, and the whole TradFi getting into crypto is insane. Make sure to also check out our sponsor, BENFT. They are revolutionizing this intersection with education using DeFi methods and artificial intelligence, AI. Really cool. Check out their links in the description below. All right. So Larry Fink is now constructive on Bitcoin. He once dubbed Bitcoin an index of money laundering. Oof, burn. But in a recent interview with Fox Business, he was all praise for the world's largest cryptocurrency by market cap. I think he just respects it now at this point. I do believe the role of crypto is digitalizing gold in many ways. Instead of investing in gold as a hedge fund or as a hedge against inflation or the onerous problem of any one country. So earlier this week, the asset manager refiled for a Bitcoin spot ETF after the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission asked for more clarity on its initial application. So they fixed it and refiled it. BlackRock currently has about $9.5 trillion worth of assets under management that we know of. Also, is a Bitcoin spot ETF coming soon? That's a good question. So BlackRock has a history of getting regulatory approval for nearly every exchange-traded fund it has ever filed for. When you're a $9.5 trillion asset manager, you get the fuck what you want. Get what you fucking want. So that's important considering many experts forecast that an ETF to unlock further upside in Bitcoin might be necessary. And the digital currency is already up close to 90% for the year at the moment since they wrote this article. Bitcoin has had a great year. Rest of crypto has been lagging still, but Bitcoin keeps marching. BlackRock has already made money investing in Bitcoin and expects the crypto asset to grow further down the line moving forward. Larry Fink stating the foundation of BlackRock is about hope. You have for retirement because you believe tomorrow is better than today. So he believes Bitcoin is better for the future of tomorrow, essentially is what he's saying. It's very interesting. And he's not alone in this. You know, it's not just BlackRock, it's Fidelity, it's Charles Schwab, it's Van Eck, you name it. Franklin Templeton. It keeps piling on. Every major asset manager wants a piece of this because they know if BlackRock is doing it, BlackRock will probably get the approval so they can copy BlackRock and get to market quick too so they can make money. I'm telling you, when this happens, Bitcoin's going to blow up. And this might be the first bull run in Bitcoin's history in its cycle where it might happen way before we get the halving cycle. And then after the halving cycle, who knows what happens. But so much good is bubbling up. Despite the regulatory crackdown, there seems to be teams forming, I think. You have a lot of people in the political spectrum that support the SEC and Gary Gensler and the shit he's putting crypto through. But the majority, honestly, the money, the politics, the corporate side of things, TradFi is surprisingly in support of it because I think they know how important it is to the rest of their market too. You don't want the innovation to leave the US. It doesn't just hurt crypto, it hurts tech in general. And I'm telling you, BlackRock has a lot of equity in a lot of tech companies and a lot of other markets that would be affected by this. You're not just exporting crypto, you're exporting innovation when you push crypto out. It's financial innovation at the end of the day. The country just can't have that. The smart people, the smart money, they know what they're doing. They're pushing back. They're getting bullish. They've called bottom. It's a very exciting time, and I expect, this to be a very important moment in history where we remember when BlackRock decided to really change its tone and Larry Fink decided to say, let's go Bitcoin. That legitimizes Bitcoin probably more than almost anything else has as a legitimate asset. That's crazy, really, when you think about it. All right, that's my spiel. That's my Sherman to you. Please like the video if you enjoyed it. Share it with someone you think that might be interested in learning about this. Comment your thoughts down below. Let's have a discussion. And subscribe to the channel. Would really appreciate it. If you already have, you are the best. Love you guys. Talk soon. Keep you informed. All right, cheers.